Sequential log file. Sequential log file is another log type. It provides a better performance of U2 audio logging. For highly audited systems, we recommend using the sequential log type. Depending on your applications, sequential log type can significantly improve the audio logging throughput and minimize the performance impact to your application. For this demo, I will show you how to manage it and configure it, like monitor the audio log system buffer and disable the buffer by using the Automan. For configuration, we can edit UV config file directly. In the UV config file, find the parameter audit log type. We can change the log type to sequential file. Even if you don't want to restart the universe and audio logging starts with a dynamic file type, you can change the dynamic file type to a sequential file type on demand by using Automan utility. Later, I will show you the command. In the below, you can see some parameters start with audit _seq. They are all used to configure the initial state of sequential file, such as memory buffer used for sequential file, and maximum size of a sequential log file, and so on. You can configure it as needed. First, I want to check the status of the current log file. Use Automan-log status. Now currently use the dynamic file. I want to change from hash log file to the sequential log file by using Automan-log type seq. Check the log status again. We can see that the sequential file is currently used. And we can use the Automan-buffer control-buffer status too to report memory buffer uses and the log date statistics to check the memory buffer. You can see that there is a lot of information about buffers, like the buffer status and the sequential file name and output info and so on. We can also disable and enable the memory buffer. Next, I want to disable the buffer 1. Automan-buffer control disable buff. Okay, let's check the log status. We can see that buffer 0 is active and buffer 1 is suspended. It means that the audit results will be recorded into sequential file 0 because the buffer 1 is disabled. So I will run the simple program, simple action like list bp file. And go to the sequential file folder. And check the 0 file. We can see the list BP action is recorded. And one file is 0. Okay, let's enable the buffer. Admin does buffer control does enable buff to enable the buffer 1. Now check the status again. And we can see that the buffer 1 and the buffer 0 is active now. So that's it for the sequential file.